Do you know what white balance is and how to use it in your photography and videos? Well, stay tuned and you'll find out. Hi, Demilza Marie here with Creative Online Courses, and on this channel I guide you through tips and tutorials to crush it with visual media and produce your online courses like a boss. I also go behind the scenes with a vlog of what it's like to be a mum entrepreneur, so if you're new here, please consider subscribing. So what is white balance and why is it important? Well, basically it determines getting a good color temperature and accurate looking image so that you don't have something that looks too orange or too blue or some other strange color, but that you get good color skin tones, for example. So how do you set white balance? Well, it's the same for video and photography, so let's jump right in. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to make sure that your camera and your lighting is set up correctly and the way that you want it. So once that's all done, then we'll look at the white balance. And the first thing you're going to do is hold up a grey card or a white card, depending on which one you want to use. Apparently the grey card is more accurate. So we're going to hold up the grey card to the image like this and take a photograph of it. And then we're going to use that as our reference image. So we're going to go into our settings and we're going to select custom white balance. And then once we've selected the image, we're going to click on it so that it knows that this is the image that we want to use as a reference. And then we are going to go out back into the settings of the photo and video that we want to take and make sure that's set to custom white balance so that it's using that reference image for the new photo or videos that you're going to take. So I'm curious to know if you've ever actually used white balance in your photos or videos, or if you prefer to use auto white balance. Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in more tips and tutorials on visual media, producing online courses, or what it's like behind the scenes of a mum building a business, then please hit that subscribe button and you can watch another video right here as well. And if you like this video, please hit that like button and we'll talk soon.